Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us understand how to add plugins to JMeter. As we know, JMeter is an open source application wherein many developers can contribute to the JMeter. Plugins are those elements which will add a additional functionality to the base JMeter applications. Plugins can also be called as an extension. Plugins will add a additional functionality to the JMeter base application. Now let us understand how we can add the plugins to the JMeter. We can add the JMeter plugin in two different ways. One is to directly copy the jar file, and another one is to use the JMeter plugin manager. And using of JMeter plugin manager is the recommended method, but we will look into both the ways of adding the plugin to the JMeter. Now you open the browser and you can search JMeter plugins. Then you will get this website. If you click on this first link, you will get this website. Here you can get this various different types of plugins, sample related, XMP protocol, and there are 111 more different plugins are available here. You see graph related plugins, thread group related plugins, timer related plugins, listener related tools, and there are various different types of plugins are available. What you need to do is you can just click on this plugin and download this jar file. Right, you can download this latest version from here, and what you need to do is to just extract this, and this jar files we need to go to the JMeter software, JMeter lib, and ext folder is there. Here we need to copy this jar files, the downloaded jar files you copy here, and then we need to restart the JMeter. We can go to file and restart, then we can see that for plugin in the JMeter. Another way is you can go and search JMeter plugin manager. JMeter plugin manager. What you need to do is, here is a JMeter plugin manager, and you can download the plugin manager jar file using this link, and then copy this plugin manager jar file to the same folder that we have discussed here, Apache JMeter lib and then ext folder. I have already copied this JMeter plugin manager 1.102 here, JMeter plugin manager. Once you copy this JMeter plugin manager to this lib ext folder, then you can restart the JMeter, and once you restart the JMeter, go to the options and you can see here JMeter plugin manager. Right, by using this plugin manager you can see installed plugins, what are all the installed plugins available, and available plugins. If you want to add some other of the available plugins, you just have to select this, then it will start adding the uh, selected plugin. And similarly, if there are any already installed plugins, if there are any upgrades are available, and it will show here, then you can select and upgrade those already installed plugins. So this will be very helpful compared to the very conventional method of copying a jar file. So it's always recommended to use JMeter plugin manager for managing your plugins. And once you select this plugin, and you can click on apply and restart the JMeter, and your plugins will get added, right? So this is about the plugins. Now I will give a step-by-step document, and I will attach under resource section of this lecture on how to add the plugins to the JMeter, and also how to add the JMeter plugin manager. You can refer to the document. I will provide a step-by-step instructions there. Thank you for watching.